Should you say in, on, or at? Hi everyone and welcome to another lesson. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use in, on, and at as prepositions of time. So let's start the lesson. We use on to talk about days and dates. Can you come over on Monday? I'll travel to Spain on the 3rd of October. We went out for a delicious dinner on her birthday. My birthday is on the 5th of October. Her birthday is on the 20th of January. I'll arrive in London on Christmas Day. Where will you be on New Year's Day? On Independence Day, we always sing our national anthem. We use at when we are talking about a precise or specific time. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. today. He came back home at midnight yesterday. She left work at lunchtime today. I'll see you at Christmas. What are you doing at the weekend? You can use on the weekend and at the weekend interchangeably. They are exactly the same. The only difference is that the American says on the weekend, while the British says at the weekend. Let's end the lesson with N. We use N when we want to talk about months, years, centuries, and other long periods of time. My birthday is in October. She was born in 1971. I was born in 2000. I'll have a holiday in March. We used to play football in the past. Do you want to visit Spain in the future?